Today we're going to show you how to grout subway tile in a shower stall. First we're going to get this bag of grout from the hardware store or Lowe's. This one is charcoal. Pour it into a bucket, a 5-gallon bucket or a bucket you got laying around. And you're going to mix this in with it. What is that?
This is a high polymer, super flexible additive.
Super flexible additive. And how much are you gonna put in there?
I'm gonna mix it until this is like pudding.
Like pudding. So right now it's a powder. We're gonna mix the super flexible additive until it turns in about a pudding consistency. Got a drill here with a mixing attachment. Alright, this is the consistency you're looking for. My dad likes to say pudding.
Throwing it out.
Alright, since we mixed it, we have about 20 minutes to get the grout on before it dries, and we gotta throw it out, so you have to be pretty quick.
I'm just getting this on the wall.
Lathering it all over the tile. That is a broom tray, and you've got a putty knife. And what's that other thing you're holding?
This is a soft trowel.
Soft trowel. After you spread the grout on pretty thick and over a big section, you're going to take the trowel and spread it and push it into the cracks and crevices.
You always want to go in an angle like that.
You want to go to angle, not straight up or down, not perfectly straight left or right. You want to go in diagonal motions, getting the grout in the cracks. Alright, next we're going to get a sponge and a bucket of water. Get the sponge from the automotive section of Walmart or your local hardware store. And what are we going to do with the sponge?
We're going to wipe all this clean.
We're going to wipe all the tile clean and make sure we get that grout down deep in the
like
cracks.
that. Okay, don't let me have all the fun.
If you have little cracks like this, you want to take the sponge and
No, always side to side.
always side to side.
Always side to side.
And work the grout in there, cover up those
Always
cracks.
diagonally.
Always diagonally. Remember, you're going to want to do small sections. So first you're going to take your spatula, rake on the grout, then you're going to take the trowel, which is right here, and you're going to spread the grout around, pushing it into the cracks and crevices, and then you're going to take your sponge and your water, you're going to, rinse it out, wring it out, and push the grout even more into the cracks and crevices, so you get something looking like this. But you're going to want to start on a small section about this size, and then when you're finished doing all three of those steps, you're going to move on to the adjacent section and then do that to this, because if you bite off more than you can chew, this stuff dries very quickly and you're going to find yourself in a mess trying to rush through it, and you don't want to rush and do a bad job. So after you get the grout all and you get all finished with your shower stall, basically you're just gonna want to keep rinsing it with clean water until you got it pretty much. Doesn't have to be all the way clean, but you know, pretty clean. You can clean the rest tomorrow. This super flexible additive, you might have to special order that. They might not have it at the hardware store. And the grout you can pretty much pick up at Lowe's. And the only other tools you need are just some putty knives, a bucket, and yeah, anything else I'm missing?
Rubber trowel.
Yeah, rubber trowel, and some car wash sponges. That's all it is. All right, and we use the super additive because it's really good at keeping the grout from cracking over time. So all right, bye.